Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of bioinformatics. But don't worry, we'll keep it simple and fun. So, what is bioinformatics? In simple terms, bioinformatics is the use of computers and technology to understand biological data. Think of it as a way to make sense of the complex information stored in our DNA and proteins. Imagine you have a huge book written in a language you don't understand. Bioinformatics is like having a super smart translator that helps you read and understand that book. This book is our genetic code, and the translator is bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is used in many areas. Here are a few examples. Medicine. Doctors and scientists use bioinformatics to understand diseases better and develop new treatments. Agriculture. It helps improve crops by studying plant genes and breeding better varieties. Environmental science. Bioinformatics can track how ecosystems change over time by analyzing genetic data from different species. Bioinformatics uses powerful computers and special software to analyze biological data. For example, when scientists sequence DNA, they generate a lot of data. Bioinformatics helps organize and interpret this data to find patterns and make discoveries. Thanks to bioinformatics, we've made significant progress in understanding complex diseases like cancer, improving food security, and protecting endangered species. It's a powerful tool that bridges the gap between biology and technology. The future of bioinformatics is incredibly exciting. With advances in technology, we'll be able to analyze even more data faster and more accurately. This will lead to new discoveries and innovations that we can't even imagine yet. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about bioinformatics. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating science topics. Don't forget to leave your questions or comments below. See you next time.